Okay, so originally I was gonna do a full-blown Thanksgiving dinner apple crumble, and then I searched up a recipe and it said core and peel 10 apples, and I was like, no. So I decided to just do a single serve, and I'm searching up recipes on my laptop right now. Okay, I googled apple crumble single serving, and this one says 5 ingredients, so I pray that I have these 5 ingredients. Okay, I also don't have one of these things: apple, sugar, cinnamon. Okay, I actually have all of these things. Oh, also I was watching Love is Blind. This is like a Reddit thread. Oh my god, okay. I just finished watching Love is Blind. Honestly, kind of a bad show, but like, what else is there to do right now? I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts. Obviously, Lauren and Cameron, they're perfect. Kelly and Kenya are just boring. The couple that I hated the most was Damien and Gigi. Damien is toxic. Like, he would just always turn the situation on her. Jessica and Marcus, Jessica's just a mess. And then Amber and Barnett, I'm fine with them. I sound like a literal man.
Whenever I'm tired, my voice gets so deep.
Okay. It is 6 a.m. I don't know why I thought baking this really would be a good idea. It's literally not. I never can do anything productive. So why? I just read the recipe again, and I have to bake this for 30 minutes. I don't have a ramekin, which is like the thing you cook it in. I need to make my own. Hopefully it works. I mean, it's just like a little dish thing. Oh. There's a rip. Okay, but honestly, this is not even that bad. Okay, got my tin. Put apples in it. I'm so focused, like I spent so long on this. And now I'm gonna put on the crumble topping. So here it is. Guys, it's finally finished and it looks absolutely terrible. The top doesn't look cooked, which is, I don't know how it's possible. I cooked it for 30 minutes. I don't have high expectations.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.